Okay guys, before we start this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video. On with the video.
Where's my happy ending?
What do you mean, where's your happy ending? I brought you some food. I'll trade you for the doll. Who do you want some meat? I got some nice bologna. Oh, the crack is getting worse. Uh-oh. There you go. There you go. There's your meat. Come on, get your meat. There. Good possessed girl, daughter, person. So I think the clue is to cut her open and figure out how to get Carly back. What do you think? Carly, is that you?
Hello, Mother.
Hi. Wait. Let me see your face. You're back to normal.
I know.
Wait, so you know what I think we need to do?
What?
I think we need to cut her open and figure out what is inside of her that was possessing you. What do you think?
Great idea. I just have to go to the bathroom.
What do you mean?
I won't let her cut you open.
No. We have to cut her open.
But she's adorable.
Yes, she's creepy. She's a possessed doll. What?
Yep. Totally creepy.
Yes. Are you feeling okay? Are you ready to cut her open?
Yes, I am prepared.
Why are you acting so strange?
I'm fine. Okay, I'm fine.
That was a little aggressive, don't you think?
I'm not feeling myself today. I'm just not feeling good.
Is this like the post-doll possession?
I'm not feeling good. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay. You ready to cut her open?
May I do the honors?
How come you're not excited as you usually are?
I'm excited. I'm not feeling myself, remember?
Yeah,
I feel a little sick. Don't worry.
What do you mean, don't worry?
You'll be safe and dead.
What?
You know, it's fine.
Why are you acting so strange?
I am not acting strange.
You are.
No, I'm not. Okay, we're ready to begin.
Okay, what is the first thing that, what?
Oh, this is Mother's secret. I mean, a secret box.
What?
A secret box.
A secret box?
Yeah.
That looks interesting. I wonder what this is for.
It was for nothing.
For nothing?
Absolutely.
Almost looks like a little tiny bank or something.
Piggy bank.
It's a piggy bank?
Yeah.
How do you know all this stuff, Carly?
Because I know everything. Not so close.
Okay. All right, well, what else is in there? What is that?
It's a figure. I mean, yeah.
What is it?
It's cute.
It's a bride? She's definitely a little creepy. I'm not sure
Don't
what
worry,
this...
Mother.
Did you just call her mother?
I said to you, don't worry, she's harmless.
Okay, and what is this?
It's an axe.
An axe?
It was hers.
A bride with an axe?
That murders her husband.
What? Is this the story of this girl? Can I see it, please? Aggressive. aggressive.
What do you mean aggressive? I am not aggressive.
Okay. Yeah, well, I am definitely going to be taking this and
remember
putting this
Petunia.
somewhere far away
She
from
died a long
you.
time ago.
What?
Nothing.
Who died a long time ago?
Petunia.
Petunia?
She was
Who's
a
Petunia?
bird.
Is there a dead bird in here? Why is that so funny?
Would you really think Mother left a dead bird in the cage?
Whose mother?
Grandmother.
Grandmother?
She is our. I mean, never mind.
What?
Never mind.
Okay. So this is what we got. What? Where? All this stuff is coming out of this doll.
It's telling the story of our ancestors, of course.
Our ancestors? We know the story of our ancestors. What?
They had a lockbox. It had an axe in it.
With
They
a dead
adopted-
bird. They had a bird who died. And then a cake.
And then she was getting married, and this is her cake.
But where's her
But
husband
she used
on
the
here?
axe.
What
Married.
is this? Is her husband? Whoa, 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 whoa. Her husband is missing a head. And is she holding that head?
She used this.
Okay, this is a little strange. I thought that this would be better. And you're acting weird. What else? What is that?
Her favorite books.
Her favorite books. Anything else?
And then after that, she found these books of spells in there.
What was her favorite book?
Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins? Yeah, okay.
Harry Potter. Duh. She loves spells.
Is there anything else in there?
She traveled the world.
She traveled the world. She traveled the world. That's interesting. Okay. And what is that?
Our ancestors.
Your ancestors. These aren't our ancestors.
Our ancestors, I said.
They're not our ancestors,
You don't even know what they look like.
Carly. Should I even call you that? Or is this a trick?
This is our ancestors!
What?
Nothing.
Okay. This is our ancestors. Let's see. Looks
Mary
like
and Romaine.
Mary and Romaine. You mean like romaine lettuce?
Silly mother. Romaine!
Romaine lettuce.
No! Romaine the human! That was the inspiration for romaine lettuce.
This is a very strange conversation. Okay, I am done here cutting these things open. I have learned things that I don't want to know.
You dropped the dead bird!
Why did Mother leave a dead bird in there then?
Great grandmother.
Okay.
Okay, the dolls will soon rule the world. I hope you like this video. What's my next line?
If you did,
If you did,
make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe,
bye.
bye. And here, what should we do with
Romaine
this
lettuce.
stuff? Oh, you didn't cut her open.